Standard Schnauzers are considered hypoallergenic due to their low shedding, wiry coat. Standard Schnauzers are a medium-sized breed, with males reaching up to 50 pounds and females slightly smaller. The Standard Schnauzer breed originated in Germany as a versatile farm dog used for herding, guarding, and ratting. Standard Schnauzer puppies are typically priced between $1,000 and $2,500. Standard Schnauzers are intelligent, energetic, loyal, protective, and playful, making them great companions and watchdogs. Standard Schnauzer ear cropping is optional and mostly cosmetic. Many owners now prefer natural ears. Standard Schnauzers are low-shedding dogs and require regular grooming to manage their wiry coat. PetzPaws Rescue Crew is a nonprofit supported by purchases from PetzPaws.com. PetzPaws Rescue Crew does not take any payment from rescues, so if you want to support, visit PetzPaws.com and pick up a hoodie and wear it proudly.